In this video, let's do a quick, easy, delicious, classic, and the best quarantine French toast. Stay home and stay safe. I'm Mano, and you're watching Mano Cooks, where I share simple, easy recipes, so keep watching. I'm taking a big bowl and adding 2 eggs. White or brown, anything works. Go ahead with what you have. Especially kids love anything with egg and bread, and if it is little sweet, that'll be a sure hit. This is sure to surprise your kids and make them drool. Add 2 teaspoons sugar, white or brown, anything works. Beat it a bit until the sugar dissolves. Add a pinch of salt with turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon very finely chopped coriander leaves. Beat it until everything combines. Add quarter cup plain milk in room temperature. That's it. Whisk everything together until everything is well blended. Turmeric powder and coriander gives a great color and that look to our French toast. I'm sure you would thank me later for that twist. Here we are using a thick bread or Texas toast, but if you are using a thin bread, please do not drop them in the egg mixture. Instead, spread the egg mixture on one side, cook it first, and then spread on the other side and do the same. Heat a pan, drizzle some oil or butter on medium heat. Take a slice, dip one side in the mixture, flip and drench the other side. Now drain the excess liquid from the bread and go ahead and quickly put that on the hot pan. Add some oil around the edges. Cook on one side until tiny brown marks appear. Flip and cook on the other side. Again, add little oil if you feel the need of it. When you see small spots in that side, time to turn and cook the alternate side. By now, you can see nice light golden crisp layer on the bread on both the sides. Bring it on a plate and repeat the same with all the slices. Remember to add oil before you toast every slice. It might take 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side for each slice of bread. This quantity makes 6 French toasts, but make sure you make some more batches too. We are done with delicious and tempting quarantine French toast for a lazy evening snack or yummy breakfast. Serve this hot French toast with a small cube of butter on top. Enjoy this best lockdown French toast with your kids and family. Let me know if you like this recipe by leaving a comment right now. Thanks for watching and see you again. If you're new to Mano Cooks, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share.